graceful whatsoever. Now, have I come down this before? Looks like you gotta go right up that knob. Fucking commit, bro. Oh! Yep, just commit and you'll be good. That's called a fucking endo. Ooh, baby. Nothing like your bike coming down on top of you. That was not a good fall whatsoever. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see that pretty close, but that would be a mark from the tire. I swallowed some dirt, sorry. I think my body broke most of the fall of the bike. Oh, that was one of my worst crashes on this bike so far. Woo! If I can't even stand on the goddamn trail, I probably shouldn't be riding down it. A positive though is that even though I went face first, the camera lens there looks spotless. So there we go. Little road rash. A couple shots here, a couple shots there. Feeling it in the shins. Of course, just above the boot. That was pretty good. That was the tire there. Those usually tear you up pretty damn good. So let's walk through this one real quick. Coming down here. I don't think I bottomed out at all, but basically when my front tire dropped, my momentum caused me to squeeze the bars a little. I endoed all the way over this rock, and that would be where the exhaust tip might have got. I landed down in that pit there. So it was a pretty solid fall. At least I'm not sweating, you know, and all that saltiness is just going into my open wounds. Poor little light bar. It's a little wonky now. Yeah, I rewatched that little clip there, and I did not go straight off of it. I just went freaking, as soon as I rolled off the end, my tire did this right off to the left and just stuck right there because there's buildup of rocks and shit. Look, they're straight. Yeah, I'd say they're jacked up a little bit. I think I need training wheels for the rest of the day.